Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the NZXT H510 Flow case. So friend, NZXT has announced the H510 Flow case, and friend, the case can optimize for airflow, all-white cooling options and bronze power supplies. And friend, additions to the NZXT lineup are directly informed by user feedback, addressing interest in high performance components with added customizability. And friend, this case can introduce a match integrated addition to NZXT's lineup of H500 series cases. And friend, the case offers improved ventilation with the addition to the perforated front panel and observes NZXT's well-known design DNA. And friend, if I talk about the features, it features iconic cable bar, interrupted tempered glass side panel, USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB Type-C connector on the front panel, cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps, removable bracket designed for editors up to 280mm and ATX format. And friend, if I talk about the color options, it will be available in matte white and matte black color option. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the price of this case is $109.99 So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.